In Pitram, we have the ability to configure our context menus to apply filtering to those to make it easier to find particular items in our data. So for example, it's very common for sites to have thousands of locations or thousands of people all being tracked individually in Pitram. And so for example, when going through the context menu, there'll be like this drop down except with 1,000 locations, and it's just not practical to have the operator look through each of them individually or even alphabetically. So we can apply filtering there to make finding those sorts of things much quicker. So we just go up into tools and configure context menus. From there we have our 3 tabs for equipment, location, and people. Because I'm changing the location on a piece of equipment, I'm going to go to the equipment tab and then find my allocate to location menu item. From there I'm just going to set up mine area and location type. Now this is ordered, meaning that my filter will apply firstly on mine area and then on lock type. So when I apply that and I go back to my context menu, we can see my mine area setup is underground, but if there was surface or something like that there as well, it would show surface. And then we have all of my location types. So this makes it much easier to find what I'm looking for. I'm going to go all pass and set my piece of equipment to all pass 1.